a planet which orbits two stars instead of one. In 2018, NASA launched a space telescope named Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite TES to study distant exoplanet. So far, it has identified about 1,400 exoplanets, of which only 34 have been confirmed. Last year, Wolf Kukier, a summer intern at the Goddard Space Flight Center, investigated a segment of TESS data and found something interesting. Like other volunteers, he was looking for a system where two stars orbit each other. He stumbled upon a system named TOI 1338 and found that it consists of two stars orbiting each other and a planet called TOI 1338b that orbits these stars every 95 days. TOI 1338 system is about 1,300 light years from Earth. Its stars orbit each other every 15 days. The smaller one is one third of the mass of our Sun, while the bigger one is nearly 10% more massive than the Sun. The planet TOI 1338b is the first circumbinary planet discovered via TESS. It is almost 7 times bigger than Earth and traces a wider path around the stars. Both the planet and the pair of stars orbit in the same plane, which why regular stellar eclipses are detectable. Then TESS detect such exoplanet by observing variation in the brightness of stars over time. From Earth's perspective, when an exoplanet crosses in front of its host star, it blocks out a little bit of star's light. This event is called a transit, and it causes the star to look like less bright. The K in this case is quite different because of the orbital motion of stars. TOI 1338b's transits occur at uneven interval from 93 to 95 days. TES TESS instruments are not sensitive enough to detect transits crossing smaller stars. To detect these faint signals, researchers used an open source Python framework named Eleanor. Eleanor is specifically designed for analyzing and visualizing data from the TESS full frame images. Using this framework, the team confirmed that the observed transits weren't caused by any instrumental artifacts. They were the actual signal sent by the TOI 1338 system. The data show that TOI 1338b's orbit will remain stable for 10 million years, but since the angle of the planet's orbit around the stars changes over time, we won't see it pass in front of the star after 2023. The planet transit will resume 8 years in 2031. This is not first circumbinary planet ever discovered. NASA's Kepler and K2 mission have already found a 12 exoplanet similar to TOI 1338b. In the near future, TESS will look for thousands of faint binary systems. So there may be other similar planets waiting to discover. So this was all about the circumbinary planets. So hope you like the video. If you like it, please like, comment, share, and please subscribe our channel, because it take a lot of time and lot of it is very much we have to work on it. We have to edit the video, upload the video, set the video. So we work very much. And just subscribe. It will just take few seconds to get, and you will also get our new videos. And one subscribe equal to one motivate. Then I will be motivated to make other videos also. So hope you like the video. Please like, and comment your queries, and please comment that on which topic I can make my videos. Thank you. I will be here with my new videos very soon, or or tomorrow only. And for then, see my other videos. Bye.